A new update for the Freeform journey. My shit looking rough. So I haven't used any beeswax and I haven't twisted it with this thing right here. I haven't done any of that. I've been picking it up a little bit every once in a while, but I haven't really touched it. My plan is to wash it today. I haven't washed it since the last video, and that was like 8 days ago. Once it starts going, I will be washing it like 2-3 times a week. And I'm probably gonna put beeswax in it for the one last time and twist it up one more time and then just let it grow free. That's what I've been doing, bro. My shit looking pretty rough. His, obviously, is just nothing going on there. Jump in the shower and then show you guys what it's like after the shower. Man, I haven't done that in a minute. It feels so weird. I'll put a clip in here. I'm gonna put a clip in here of how I rocked it for Christmas.
Guys, I'm coming. I don't know.
Got fresh out of the shower.
Wait, when it's morning.
I hate having let my hair drip dry. I hate not washing my hair, letting it drip dry. I hate it.
Hi,
I
guys.
can't stand it, actually.
I'm over here.
Alright, just got that fresh fade, the fresh cut. Ooh. But he was out there on his little power wheel, which I'm gonna put that video out after this one. Dude done scratch his head.
The fish were on the road.
Freshly on the road, alright? Oh.
Beeswax. No, beeswax, Dad.
You want more beeswax?